This is Vaughn with Open Source Automation. This is a quick demo of the Screens application coming out in version 0.44. As always, we have open, close graphics, basically on-off graphics, one frame, but now we've added animation, so when devices like the motion detector or the fan turn on, we can leave them in a state that shows us that they're still on, and that's animation support. There's the strobe for a second. Another new control is the slider or dimmer. So we can see here it puts the dim level in the comments, and if you dim all the way down, it'll actually turn the device off. And the navigation control here has been updated. The font or label control has been fixed up a little bit. I'll show you a little bit more on those later. These are the new click controls. Let me see, if you hold it down, it'll turn. So if you just want to hold it down for a second or keep holding it down, this provides a control level that we haven't had before. Now I'll show you how to set some of these up. If you're in edit mode, you can now right click on these controls and it'll take you into an edit screen, which is all new in this version too. And this control is all new. So you can see we have a normal image in green, and then when we press and hold the button, it'll use the red image. Now when you press and when you release, you can execute either or both a method on any object and a script, and you can pass custom parameters to those. So between a press and a release, you can execute 4 different things, so much more powerful than the old state image controls. Go back home, show you the animation. So there's our 4 frames that we're using for the fan. You can use between 1 and 4. I've determined that we really don't ever need more than 4, and we may introduce a video control for that later. We have XY coordinates on here now, so it makes it a lot easier to align those on and offs. We have a half a second delay, 500 milliseconds, set up in between these frames, so every object can spin and animate at different frame rates. Repeat animation will keep the fan spinning. If it was a door slowly opening and then you wanted it to stay open, you wouldn't want to repeat. There's the slider control, but we'll look at it on the actual light here. So this is an Insteon light. Insteon uses the on command for dimming. So it's going to pass the slider's value as a parameter to this method, and that's what will control our dim levels, and no animation on this. So the old navigation control, we can see we have a basic editing and update screen on it, and the same with the labels. A lot of settings on here. Back colors, transparencies, all the fonts work now.